Hello, my name is Bhavish Naheshwar More. I feel incredibly proud and graceful to share my journey with eVision. When I first joined eVision, I was filled with hope and determination, but also I'm some uncertainty. From day one, the guidance, mentorship, and support I received from the entire eVision team helped me stay focused and continuously improve my technical and professional skill with the constant encouragement from our respected members, the teams and department of teachings. I am happy to share I have successfully received my job confirmation. This milestone will be have be possible with will not be possible without revision, structured training, real-time project in, exposure, and career-driven approach to all the freshers and job seekers out there. I want to say this: don't give up, keep learning, stay consistent, and trust the process. eVision truly provide the right platform if you are serious about the growing career in your IT field. It is a big thank you to eVision eVision for the believing in me and being part of a journey. Your support made of all this difference. As Ganesh sir said, rightly said, your story is the voice of eVision, and I'm proud to be that voice today. Think positive and think better. Think eVision. Thank you for all eVision teams.